Siguro yung I always think that yung everyday that I work here, I always parang keep in mind that I am serving a greater purpose. And that purpose is the purpose that's given to me by God. So, yun yung driving force, no? And when you have that in mind, everything comes into place, no? Of course, you will strive to work better. You strive to be excellent in everything you do because that's for the Lord. Yun yung siguro isang ah yung malaking biyaya, no, ng pananampalataya natin. Having that strong faith in you makes you really do, or make impossible possible. Yun lang yung kinakapitan nating lahat siguro. So, and I hope na ganun din, no, yung, siguro yung ibang mga katulad ko rin, no, na who's also into this ministry. I think that's the only message I can impart to them, no, yung having that strong faith. Uh, Regardless of what, your situation is, mahirap man yung trabaho, pero again, babalik ka dun sa dun sa point that you know that there's God present in your life. So everything would be okay when he's there.